Hey guys, it's Bob. Hey, I just wanted to check in real quick. I have something cool to share with you today. I've attached it to this email. And if you're watching this on social media or wherever, if you want a copy of this, please just reach out to me via email or give me a call or put it in the comments section, your email address, and I'll be happy to send it to you. But basically, what this is that time of year, spring cleaning, and when we're thinking about making some improvements to our home. I get calls several times a week from past clients. Do you have someone that'll redo a kitchen? We need a plumber. We need an electrician. We need a good pool guy. And as you know, if you've done business with me in the past, that's something that I always stress that if you ever need someone to complete any kind of project in your home, give me a call. Let me send them to you. So what I've got is I call it Bob's list. These are all vendors, contractors, so forth that I recommend to people on a daily basis. And in order to make this list, it's not just, I don't just go on Google and look for good people. These are people that have actually done work on my home or have done work for other clients or other agents that I work with that people have had a really good experience with. So it's something I really take a lot of pride in as someone that has lived here in the Valley my whole life and has used quite a few of these people over the years. I've got a pretty good feel for good contractors out there. So anyway, take a look at the list. I hope it helps. Obviously, if there's something that you're looking to do around your home that we don't have someone on the list for that, call me. I probably know somebody anyway, and as you know, I just hope that it's something that you guys will find useful. And as always, let me know if there's anything I can do to help. Make it a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.